Today, I decided to talk about health and wellness because it's really important that we live a very healthy and long lasting life. We can achieve this by taking three measures: one is exercise, two is a healthy diet, three is stress management. When I talk about exercise, I cannot talk enough about how important exercise is to us. We all need to do some sort of exercise every day of our lives. We need to incorporate maybe 10 minutes or 20 minutes into our lifestyle so that it becomes a habit and we stick to a routine and it becomes part of our lifestyle. At least maybe 10 minutes around, walk around the house, 20-minute walk around the house, or even on a treadmill, or if you can go to a gym and do it as a routine, that would be amazing and that would give you amazing benefits. Second is a healthy diet. A healthy diet is what consists of many plant-based foods. I myself is on a plant-based diet, and a plant-based diet means anything that comes out of a plant: fruits, vegetables, legumes, grains, anything that nature has given to us, and eat less and less of animal proteins because it's a proven fact that animal fats are harmful to humans. So try to eat less and less of it. Third is stress management. Stress management is the most important thing in our lives because even if you exercise regularly and eat healthy, if you're really stressed out, it will directly affect our body, mind, our lifestyle, our everything. So it's important that we manage our stress. We have to find a way to release our stress. We can meditate, or we can go for a walk. The best thing I could recommend is meditation, or even listen to music. That also you need to do on a regular basis. At least few times a week, if you can meditate for 15 minutes, that would give you amazing benefits. Or if you adapt to a hobby, painting or reading, or do something that would release your stress and rejuvenate your mind. Just as we exercise and get good benefits to our body, just as we exercise to make our bodies work better as we grow older, it's really important that we do something to refresh our minds, because our minds have thousands and thousands of thoughts per day and we don't realize how stressed out we are. Sometimes we think we are fine, we don't need any meditation, we are doing fine. But no, when we meditate, we realize how many thoughts that go in and out of our mind and how stressful our minds are. So it's important that we do something to refresh our mind. It will give a great start. It will release all the negativity from our bodies. It will release all the tension from our bodies and our minds. So if we incorporate these three things into our lives, we can live a healthy and a long lasting life. And I hope all of you can do something to better your lives and make the best out of it. Thank you.